Hi folks, this is Yvette. Welcome to my kitchen once again. Today I'm going to do a recipe. It is called egg muffins, and you can make these for breakfast and for brunch. And the nice thing about these is that you can make a few of them and freeze them to eat them at a later date. So that's why I like making them. Plus they're yummy and they're a lot of fun. Maybe it's something you can do with your kids as well. So what I'm going to use first is kale, and you see I chopped up my stuff ahead of time, so this way we have it helps with the timing. We have kale here, and kale has vitamin C. It's a very nutrient dense food. It has antioxidant and quercetin. And I'm also going to be using some peppers, and I chopped up some peppers here. I put the yellow and the orange peppers. They're very sweet. These are very nice. They taste yummy. And peppers have vitamin A, C. It also has, it's low in calories. It has fiber, folate, calcium, and tomatoes. I like using cherry tomatoes. I love these. High in antioxidants, and I chopped them up into little pieces. Also shallots. This is a shallot. I chopped it up. This is what a shallot looks like. It is in the onion family. I like shallots better than onions. They just have a better flavor. And I kind of sauteed them up already. Okay. And I'm also going to use cremini mushrooms. I'm using this one. I'm going to chop that up for you guys. And cremini mushrooms have copper, psyllium, potassium, manganese, and B1 and phosphorus. Very good for you. And I'm also using bacon. This is turkey bacon, and I'm using bacon because my sister likes bacon, so that's why I'm making it. I'm making hers with bacon. So you chop up all your ingredients like I already did, and I'm going to do the mushroom now. I'm going to chop it up like this into smaller pieces. Now, if you want, you can cook this bad boy up, saute it in some olive oil. I am just going to use it like that because I'm going to be putting it in the oven. So I'm making it very small little pieces of this. And of course, some fell on the floor already. Well, they say that the best chefs are the ones that are messy. So I guess I must be really good, because I mean I can get quite messy, but the food comes out very, very yummy. Okay, so we chop these up, these bad boys up right here, and you're gonna have some egg whites. I already mixed this all up. You need about a cup of egg whites, and I prefer egg whites to regular eggs. You can make whatever you like. Some people like to make the full egg. I prefer to do the egg whites just for it's just a lot healthier. And egg whites have protein, riboflavin, and potassium. And so you're gonna get a little bowl like this, a pan like this, and we're gonna add our olive oil spray in here. And you want to make sure that you also get the oil, the olive oil, on the corners, because you don't want it to get stuck. So I'm actually moving it around in the corners as well, around from the top all the way to the bottom, because if not, your muffins are going to stick, and you don't want that. Okay, so I am going to add some of my peppers. And you can make them with different vegetables. You can make them with broccoli, kale, spinach. Some people like it with spinach. I'm going to add some of the bacon. I'm not doing it to all of them. I'm just going to add to a couple of them because, like I said, my sister likes the bacon. And you're going to put your mushrooms in there. And these are, as you can see, they're quite easy to make. It's just a bunch of vegetables. And here's my tomatoes. And I use cherry tomatoes, and I'll tell you why I use cherry tomatoes as opposed to grape. Because I find that the cherry tomatoes are a lot sweeter. There's nothing wrong with grape tomatoes if that's all that you have. But I like the cherry tomatoes. They just have more flavor to them. And I'm going to put some of my shallots in here. And some of the kale. And I chopped up some of this kale. I didn't cook it. If you have thyroid disease, you don't want to eat raw kale. You would want to cook it before eating it. And like I said, kale is very nutrient dense food. And I'm going to finish putting the rest of the stuff in here, so I don't want anything lying around. Okay. And if you want to put cheese on it, you can put cheese. I'm not putting cheese on it because I just don't want the cheese. But you can make it any way you want. So now I put some parsley flakes in here just to give it flavor, and some of my dulse flakes. I'm going to put it in a cup like this and just pour it, not all the way to the top because you don't want it to go over. Okay? And I like to take some garlic powder. I put garlic in it. You can put garlic in it if you want. But I put this just again to give it some more flavor. And I put some pepper already in it before. And like I said, my my triple blend dulse flakes with the kelp and the nori in it, because that's what I use as opposed to salt. So now you have them in here like this. See? And what you're gonna do is come on over. You're gonna either put them in the oven or the toaster oven. You can bake them for about 30, 35 minutes, 20 minutes. Just, I like watching to see how it rises, to see if it's done. But I would say if you put it 30, 35 minutes, it would be done. It should be done. At 350, you're going to turn it on, put it in there, and when you get them, this is what they're going to look like. They're super yummy, easy to make. You can freeze these and put them away for a later date. This is something nice that you can make on the weekend, and when you go to work on Monday, if you freeze them, you can take them with you, warm it up, or if you have a place to warm it up at work, you can warm it up. But since they're already cooked, you can really have them cold as well. You know, it's a good thing, fast and easy, yummy thing to take on the go. So if you like this video, by all means, please share it with others. My name is Yvette LeBoy from YvetteLeBoy.com. I am a holistic health coach, and I work with people who have lupus, and I love to cook, and I love to share all these things with you. I wanted to wish all the mothers out there a happy Mother's Day. I will be back again probably tomorrow or next week with my regular lupus live chat that I was doing. I've just been really busy doing other things. But again, share this video. If you like the recipe and you want to share it with others, make it at home. Let me know if you like it. Put comments below. Let me know if you like it, if you make this. It's a lot of fun. Like I said, it's something you can make with the kids. My YouTube page is Yvette LeBoy Wellness Coach. On Instagram, I am One Holistic Diva. On Twitter, I am Holistic Girl. And here on Facebook, I am Yvette LeBoy Lupus Wellness Coach. See you folks. Have a great day. Bye.